In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account and organization in Azure DevOps in 2025. This guide is designed specifically for beginners, perfect for anyone looking to kickstart their DevOps journey with Azure DevOps, or ADO for short. First, let's talk about what an Azure DevOps organization actually is. Think of it as the highest level container that holds everything you'll need for your DevOps projects. Things like source code repositories, build pipelines, agile boards, and more. To get started, you'll need an account to sign in. You can use a Microsoft account, a work or school account, or even a GitHub account. Once you have your organization set up, you'll access it through a specific URL, formatted like this: https:/dev.azure.com/yourorganization name. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to create your Azure DevOps organization. First things first, sign in or create the necessary account. Head over to the Azure DevOps site by typing https:/dev.azure.com into your browser. Alternatively, you can reach it through Microsoft's Sign Up for Azure DevOps page if you're starting fresh. Choose an account to sign in with, whether it's a personal Microsoft account, a work or school account associated with Azure Active Directory, or a GitHub account. It's crucial to ensure you're signed in with the account you wish to use to own and manage the organization, as this account will be in charge. Now let's move on to creating your organization. Within the Azure DevOps portal, look for a prompt that says, "Get started with Azure DevOps," or something similar. Clicking on this will guide you to the setup process. Here, you'll be asked to choose a name for your organization, which is essential because it will become part of your URL, like dev.azure.com, your organization name. You'll also need to select a region for your organization's data. Pick a region that's either geographically close to you for better performance, or one that meets any compliance needs your projects might have. Once that's done, confirm your details and hit that Create button. Your new organization should be provisioned in just a few moments. After your organization is created, it's time for some initial setup. You'll be prompted to create your first project, as projects are where you'll house your repositories, pipelines, and boards. From there, navigate to the organization settings where you can fine-tune additional options. Here you can configure your billing if you need it, manage user permissions, and even connect to an Azure Active Directory tenant if you're using a work or school account. Finally, don't forget to share your new organization URL, such as https:/dev.azure.com, your org name, with your team members to start collaborating and working on projects right away. And that's it. You've just successfully set up your very own Azure DevOps organization. Welcome to the world of DevOps, where continuous integration and agile collaboration await.